Hi guys, welcome to Joyful Baby Care. My message is to us, the mother, the women, because not be only who born pikin be mama, all women. Today we want to talk about some of the reasons why our society carry our children. Some of our mothers no know, some of our women no know. Single mothers, you are powerful. Encourage yourself, praise yourself, because you are two in one. May we go straight to the topic. Mothers, please. I know say this 2021 don't pass now, but we will not make the mistake. Mothers, try to let your children go to bed early as possible, so that they go sleep well, wake up well. When pikin no sleep well, come wake up for morning. If e dey school, e no dey do well. When pikin no dey do well, they dey use that one follow up, follow im mama. E must not do well 100%, but at least they dey watch body language and body movement for school. 2, mothers, hey, may we no make this mistake. You see this vacation where they just go, so now wetin they go to start their lesson. They go say make all children write about their vacation. Some mothers when no carry their children go vacation, wetin they say make the children write? He go write, my mother did not take me to any vacation. He was always on phone talking. With that one, they'll take and follow the pikin back. Then when they talk about vacation, the children now, your own pikin no see wey talk about a vacation. You will come the day door, the day somehow nervous. Wetin make they do no fit do am. Na there they'll come take and they follow the children when they don't they bully the pikin no fit they do. Children for school they talk they bully themselves except of pikin when go fit take am. Children, as we dey talk this topic they go, don't forget to like and follow this page, Joyful Baby Care. More video will be coming, lighting video, experience video, life story. We will talk much about ourselves. Sometimes I will be coming on air with Say It Live, and I will put my telephone number so everybody will call and give their opinion. The 4th one, be safe and no make mistake. Our mothers, if we dey cook, close your kitchen door, or you close inside your room door, because food when we dey cook, sometimes they follow our clothes. We know they know. When we go carry pikin go school, maybe the food go dey smell some kind odor. You no go know, because now you get am first house, you no go hear say odor dey follow that pikin. Now when he reach school, the children don't they hear odor, come they use and they bully am. Maybe before mistress go come here, that pikin don't they dey door, don't they as they dey distance of everybody. E get wetin they call Mobident. I don't want to do advert for anybody. Mobident, they be like this, different type there. Now to put am for washing machine, or when you dey use hands they wash. Now the last thing where you go use, if they give good scent, good odor, different type of odor. Now when you reach here, Mobident, now they call am. Smell and look the kind of scent where you want. They buy that one. You can use it to wash bedspread, towel, clothes. And mothers, try and iron your children clothes when they are going to school. I am telling you. The other one again, mothers, why? Your boy and girl, there are two different things. You no go expect because now the boy be senior, because the pikin never know anything, you come dey wear a brother trouser go school. It's not done. That children, they go bully am for school. He no go talk foolish also, but he will come dey keep himself distance from people. Mistress, they look there. Mother, go to H&N, any evil what is it called, that store, or the name is not coming. You can buy leggings for your girls. There are primavera leggings day, winter leggings day. Good leggings, they can use it for sports. Mothers, don't wear your children shoe of boys because your boy don't use am, your girl dey follow am. It's not done. Because I know you people want to economize. That is not the way of economize yourself. Allow them to live their life, that moment of their growing up, their youth. Now wetin go follow them till they go grow. I know say many of us don't get this opportunity where we dey Nigeria, but now allow these children to live their life. If you never like this page, try and like. Many things will be coming out, many talk, many story. Now una get Joyful Baby Care. Another place when I go again, mothers. If you are a mother, single mother at home, or you are a divorcee, don't know the kind of communication you talk in the front of your children, because all these things they carry and go school go tell their mistress. I am telling you, no be say wetin they tell me, wetin my eyes see for other children. Na God na they carry person dey waka. This is their mistress of school. They are not only there. If you look at our children, most of their days na school that they stay pass. They will come house. Now few hours that they stay for us. Most of the day na school that they stay pass. So the mistress they read their body language. I don't want this video to be too long. If you have anything to say, leave your comment below according to this topic. More video will be coming out. We are going to talk about the adolescent sweats. Also, it's not a smell. It's not a taboo, but it's a thing you can. In fact, make I leave this topic for another moment. It's your one and only Joyful Baby. I have many things to say, but some things will not permit me, just for privacy of many things. Okay, please, mother, try to be your children keeper. God don't give us these children, not just because na me born and na me born am. We still be helper to our children just by saying we born them. May we teach them. This we go talk about on this many things, but this one na particularly for mothers. Wash at alert for your children about their going to school. It's more important. Study level, school level, it's important for our children as they grow. Okay, bye. Support your girl, Joyful Baby Care. Just like and follow and share. Leave your comment below. Let's communicate over there. I will come on live once in a week as it pleases me. Okay, bye. I love you all. God love you too. Let God guide us and give us the strength. We the mothers. God love you. Bye bye.